At least, mga colleagues niyan, kilala siya niyan. At yun nga, unang-unang magandang question, bakit walang security si Governor Degamo? That is one thing you cannot blame on Congressman Teves. Ang may control ng police escorts ay PNP. And by extension, the PNP is under the DILG. Kung mga ganyang questions, we welcome that. We welcome an impartial, a free probe on the circumstances surrounding this incident. Ang katulad po ng sinabi ko kanina nung nakapanayam ako ng isang stasyon, ang panawagan ko lamang kay Speaker Romualdez ay bigyan po yung panig ni Congressman Teves ng boses doon sa inquiry na yan, sa investigasyon na yan, para mailatag din po namin yung mga questions na sinabi namin sa inyo that need to be answered, plus some information. Actually, we are already reaching out to the office of Speaker Romualdez kasi may mga pinaparelay nga si Congressman Teves for his ears only. Para maintindihan naman niya yung sitwasyon. Kasi, sabi niya, come home, si Congressman Teves, but he may not have been apprised of the complete situation with respect to the security concerns of Congressman Teves. Wala siyang firearms, nirevoke ang LTAP, wala siyang security escorts, nire-raid yung mga bahay niya. So, I think yung mga concerns niya as to his security are valid at dapat po malaman ito ng pamamahala ng ating Kamara.
Okay, sir, just a follow-up.